Hey beauties, welcome back. After 4 years, guess who finally got extensions? I've had these in for about 2.5 weeks, and I want to show you guys how I've been maintaining my scalp, because you guys know, no matter what, I'm always going to be taking care of my hair, even though it is locked in these extensions. For this mixture, I'm using aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar, and vitamin E oil. Just 3 ingredients. It's very simple. This mixture is dedicated for my hair, and it will last me 1 whole week, and I keep it stored away in the fridge. The aloe vera contains special enzymes that help repair the dead skin cells on the scalp, condition, smooths, keeps the hair shiny, and promote growth, helping with the itchy scalp and reducing dandruff. The apple cider vinegar will help to restore the natural pH level of the scalp and help stop the moisture loss. The vitamin E oil will help keep the hair follicles healthy, promote blood circulation, and promote hair growth. So here is Bestie and we are both rocking extensions. Mine's are cornrows and hers are box braids. You guys can go ahead and see my scalp. It's not that bad. I do have a little bit of dryness on the top, but everywhere else is pretty fine. Where I'm at, it is very dry. We both do this mixture every single night. We apply it to our scalp. And I'm just gonna go ahead and help my bestie because she just loves when I do her hair. Her braids are about almost 3 months old. I never recommend keeping extensions in for more than 6 weeks, but I know everyone is different. I do not prefer to go longer than 5 weeks. That is my maximum for me. I know someone's gonna ask me, why do I do a liquid mixture versus doing just an oil? I am not a big fan of oil in my scalp every single day. I did that before. My scalp got clogged and my hair fell out. My scalp loves liquid. It loves to be hydrated. So this is what I do. This is what works for me. For my bestie, after I sprayed her scalp, I went in using my homemade amla oil. I made this myself in the kitchen. It's pretty much just a coconut and castor oil based. And then I have my organic almond oil and almond powder in there, as well as a few other herbs. I don't have the exact recipe. I did this a few weeks ago, but I will have one posted on my YouTube channel soon. So after I oil her scalp, she's gonna go in and massage and then put her bonnet on, hit the bed. Me, I'm already done. I'm not using any oil. I already have a little bit of vitamin E oil in my mixture, so I don't need anything else. And I just put my bonnet on and I hit the bed. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.